That means S20 I have to find it. So in which third term is 7? It is given A3 equal to 7. Can I write this as A plus 2D equal to 7? And then 7th term is 2 more than. 7th term means A7, 2 more than 2 plus thrice of its third term. Thrice of its third term. So hope you get the statement. That's equal to 2 plus 3 into A3 already given, that is 7. So 2 plus 21, which is equal to 23 is A7. So now I would write my this equation. A plus 6D is equal to 23 and A plus 2D equal to 7. So on cancellation, I would get 4D is equal to 16. That means my D is equal to just 4. So substituting on any one of this equation, A plus 2 into 4 is equal to 7. So A plus 8 is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 1. So I got A and I got D. So I will go and substitute in Sn formula. So in that S20, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So I will have S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into minus 1 plus 19 into D is 4, which is equal to, gets cancelled 10 times, 10 into minus 2 plus, and for 36 that is 76. So I get 10 into 74. The answer is just a number 740. So my S20 is equal to 740. As simple as that. The sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 42. The ratio of its 10th term to its 30th term is 1:3. Calculate the first and the 13th term of AP. So the sum of first term, 6 term is S6 is given as 42. So can I write S6 as n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, where this is given as 42, which is equal to 6 by 2 into 2A plus n is 6 minus 1 into D, that is 5D. So now this gets cancelled 3 and this gets cancelled, that is 14. Now I would have my equation as 2A plus 5D is equal to 40. Okay. Now the next condition is the ratio of its 10th term. 10th term means A10 to its 30th term, that is A30, is equal to 1 by 3. The ratio means is nothing but the division. So A10 can be written as A plus 9D divided by A plus 29D is equal to 1 by 3. Now I would go for cross multiplication. So 3A plus 3 9s are 27D is equal to A plus 29D. Now A comes this side, so 2A is equal to 27D goes to the other side, it becomes 2D. So 2 gets cancelled, A is equal to D. Now I would substitute A is equal to D in 1. Substitute in 1. So the 1 implies A is equal to D. So 2A plus 5A is equal to 14. So 7A is equal to 14. So this gets cancelled. A is equal to 2. So I get my A is equal to 2. D is also equal to 2. Now my question is to calculate the first and the 13th term. First term is nothing but 2. I got it. And the 13th term. 13th term we know it. It is A plus 12D. So A13 is equal to A plus 12D. So A is given 2 plus 12 into D is again 2. That is 2 plus 24, which is equal to 26. So my 13th term is equal to 26. As simple as Find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 7. So 3-digit number which are divisible by 7, the first number is 105. And just by checking, we know that the last number is 994. And I want to find the sum of all 3-digit number. I do not know how many numbers are there. Then only I can find what is Sn. So my aim is to find n. I know an, and of course d is equal to 7, the differences. So let me have my an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 994 is equal to 105 plus n I do not know, and d is 7. So I would have 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1, and this divided by 7. So I will have 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 8 minus 0 is 8, and 9 minus 1 is 8, divided by 7, which is equal to n minus 1. Now I'm going to cancel this. 1 7s are 7, 1 2 7s are 14, and then 49, 7 7s are 49. So 128 is my n. So the number of terms are 128. Now I can easily find my Sn, where a is known and d is known and n is known. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That's easy. So n is, I know, is 28. So 28 divided by 2 into a is 105 plus 994. So I will cancel this. 6 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 64 into 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 9, and then 10. Now I have to multiply 1099 into 64. 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 4s are 36, 39, 3, so 3, 4. 6 9s are 54, 5 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59, again 5, so 5, and then 6. So 6, 13, 1, 10, 13, 1, and then 10, 1, 7. So my answer is 70336 is the sum of 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. We'll move on. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are exactly divisible by 3. So the first number after 250, 250 is not divisible by 3. So the next number which is divisible by 3 is 252. So my first number is 252, and the last number, it's not 1000, it is an. You just simply, it 999 is divisible by 3. Now I do not know what is n, and I have to find all the numbers sum. So Sn I have to find. So for this, first I have to get my n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and of course d is equal to 3. So this is my d. So an is 999, which is equal to 252 plus n I do not know into 3. So 999 minus 252 is equal to 3n minus 1 and whole thing divided by 3. So I will have 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 minus 2 is 7 divided by 3. That's equal to n minus 1. So get it cancelled. 2 3s are 6, 1, 4 3s are 12, 27, 9 3s are 27. So n is equal to 250. So I get my n. So now we move on finding Sn. So Sn is equal to, I got all my values. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That's equal to, so S 250, 250 divided by 2 is equal to 252 plus an is 999. So I get cancel of this 125. So 125 into 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 10, 15, 1, 10, 12. So I have to multiply, get the sum of the numbers between 250 and 1000, which are divisible by 3. As simple as that. How many terms of the series 54, 51, 48 be taken so that their sum is 513? Explain the double answer. That means you are given the series, you can find A, D, and of course n is not possible, and the sum is given, Sn is equal to 513, and explain the double answer. That means you have to expect there will be two answers, and you have to explain for those two answers how you get 513 as the sum. That's the meaning of this question. So we'll go for AP. So AP is given as 54, 51, 48, etc. Now my A is equal to 54 and D is equal to 51 minus 54, which is minus 3. Now Sn is given as 530. Now I go for finding my how many terms. So I should get Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Sn is given 513 and n I do not know, into 2 into a is 54 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Now 513 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and then 2 and then 5 2s are 10. That's equal to n into 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10 minus, I would have minus 3n and plus 3. So that's equal to 1026 is equal to n into 108 plus 3, 111 minus 3n. So I'm going to get my quadratic equation. I have to solve that equation. So I would have my equation as 1026 is equal to 11n minus 3n squared. So let me have my quadratic equation. 3n squared minus 111n plus 1026 is equal to 0. So now I can cancel by 3, that is n squared minus 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21 n and then plus 3 3s are 9, 1 4 3s are 12 and 2 3s are 6, that's equal to 0. Now I have to find my factors for n. So let me go for finding the prime factorization. That's the easiest way to get my factors. So 342, so I will go with 2, 1 2s are, 7 2s are and then 1 and by 3 again 8 3s are, 6 3s are 18, so 5 3s are 15, 2 1, 7 3s are 21. So by 3 again 1 3s are, 9 3s are. So I should get 37. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 and 19, I would get 37. So my factors are n squared minus 18n minus 19n plus 342 equal to 0. So I get my factors. Now by grouping, I would have n is taken outside. I'm left with n minus 18 minus 19 is taken outside. So n minus 18 is equal to 0. So n minus 18 into n minus 19 are my factors. So n is equal to 18 and 19. So how is it that possible for two terms, that is up to nth term, that is 18 terms, the sum is 513. When you add 19 terms, the sum is 513. That means it must be understood one of the terms here is 0. So 0 plus 530 is going to be 530. Now, which term is 0? I know my d is equal to minus 3. I got it. So let me have my A19 here first. That is A plus 18D. So that's equal to A is 54 plus 18 into minus 3. This gets cancelled, which is 0. So my 19th term is equal to 0. So I get A18, S18 or S19 both is equal to 530. As simple as that. The number of terms in the series 20 plus 19 1 by 3 plus 18 2 by 3, of which the sum is 300. Series is nothing but just adding the terms. That's what called series. If there is no plus symbol, it is said to be a sequence. That's the only difference. Now, find the number of terms. That is, n is equal to how much? That's what we have to find it. As usual, A is equal to 20 and D is equal to 19 1 by 3 minus 20, which is equals 20. So that's equal to 58 minus 60 divided by 3. That's equal to minus 2 by 3, which is my D. So I got D, I got A. Now the sum is given. Sn is equal to 300 given. So let me go for Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. My aim is to find n. So 300 is equal to n by 2 into 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. So mine into minus 2 by 3. So that's equal to, I would have 600 n into 40 and I get multiply of this minus 2 by 3n plus 2 by 3. Now I take the LCM, that's n into 3, 4 3s are 12, 120 minus 2n plus 2 divided by 3. That's equal to 600. Now on simplification I get my equation is simplified. 6 3s are 18, so 1800 is equal to n into 122 minus 2n. So that is equal to 122n minus 2n square is equal to 1800. So I bring my quadratic equation minus 122n plus 1800. So I get my equation after simplification divided by 2. I get it n square minus 61n plus 900. That's my equation equal to 0. Now on simplification, I get n minus 25 into n minus 36 is equal to 0. That means n is equal to 25 and 36. Now two n's are there, 25 and 36. I should explain the answer, how the double answer comes such that the sum is 300 for both. That is, S25 is also 300 and S36 is also 300. Now children, you have noted D comes as minus 2 by 3, which is negative. That means somewhere here S31 becomes 0. So this all becomes negative number and this all becomes the positive number. So negative number and the positive number gets cancelled. So you get the answer up to this S25. You get it 300. The rest all the number gets cancelled each other. So we stop or we get the sum of 25 numbers is equal to 300. As the sum of the third and seventh term of an AP is 6 and the product is 8, find the sum of their first 16 term. So the sum of the third and the seventh term, that is A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. So A3 plus A7 is A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. So 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. I have A plus 4D is equal to 3. So this is my first equation. Now, and the product is 8. That is A3 into A7 is equal to 8. that is a plus 2d into a plus 6d is equal to 8. Now, I got my a is equal to 3 minus 4d. So, let me substitute here. So, 3 minus 4d plus 2d into 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 8. So, I get 3 minus 2d into 3 plus 2d equal to 8. On simplification, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 4d square is equal to 8. I get here, I have minus 4d square is equal to 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. So 4d square is equal to 1. D square is equal to 1 by 4. D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. I got my D. My question is find the sum of first 16 terms. So let me find my A first. A is 3 minus 4D. So A is equal to 3 minus 4D. So that's equal to 3 minus 4 into, when D is equal to plus half. So when D is equal to plus half, I get that's equal to 2 gets cancelled, 3 minus 2, which is A is equal to 1. Now I would get D is equal to minus half. So D is equal to minus half. My A becomes, A is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus half. This becomes plus, that's equal to 2. So that's my A is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Now, my question is find the sum of 16 terms. So, I have to get my S16. S16 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, I have a is equal to 1 always, but d I have two different values. So, a is equal to 1, I get it when d is equal to half. So, S16 is equal to n by 2, 16 by 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1, it is 15 into 1 by 2. So, I would have my 8 into 2 plus 15 by 2. On taking my LCM, I get my equation. So that's equal to S16 is equal to 8 into 2 2s are 4 plus 15, that is equal to 19 divided by 2, which is getting cancelled. That's equal to 4 9s are 36, 76 is my S16. Now, when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus half, so I will get my Sn, that is S16 is equal to n by 2, 16 by 2 into 2 into A is 5 plus n minus 1, that is 15 into D is minus 1 by 2. So that's equal to 8 into 10 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 8 into 20 minus 15, that is 5 by 2, and this gets cancelled. 4 5s are 20. So S16 is equal to 20. So I got both the values for if the nth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by n, show that the sum of mn terms is half into mn plus 1. Now nth term is am is given a plus n minus 1 into d, which is given as 1 by n. And nth term an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d, is equal to 1 by n. The question is find the sum of mn terms. So Smn is equal to n by 2, that is mn by 2 into 2a plus mn minus 1 into d. I have to prove it 1 by 2 into mn plus 1. That's my question. So to prove there's always, children, keep in mind, you have to find A and D from this given condition. Find A and D, go and substitute in that, and you get that's equal to this given value. So I have to substitute A and D means I have to solve this equation. So minus, 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 this gets cancelled. Now you will have minus D plus D gets cancelled. So that is m minus n into D is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. Now I am going to take the LCM. So m minus n into D is equal to m minus n divided by mn. So this gets cancelled. So my D is equal to 1 by mn. So I got my D here. Now I have to get my A. So I will go and substitute in any one of this equation to get my A. So I substitute in A. So I don't want this one. So I take A plus m minus 1 and D is 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. So A I have to get it. So 1 by n. This goes to the other side, becomes minus m minus 1 into 1 by mn. So I will take it as by mn. Now I'm going to bring out the bracket 1 by n minus m by mn. Minus into minus is plus mn. So mn gets cancelled and 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1 by n gets cancelled. So my A is also become 1 by mn. So both A and B are the same. Now I have to get my Smn. So Smn is equal to, I get my equation such that Smn is equal to mn divided by 2 into A is 1 by mn and then plus mn minus 1 into D is also 1 by mn. So I have to get that's equal to half into mn plus 1. Let me simplify this first. So mn by 2 into 2 by mn plus just multiply mn by mn minus 1 by mn. That's equal to mn by 2 into this and this same. So 2 minus 1 is 1 by mn plus this becomes cancelled. So 1, this gets cancelled and becomes 1. Now I take the LCM here. So 1 plus mn divided by mn. So mn gets cancelled. So I get, which is equal to half into mn plus 1, which is my RHS to be proved. I got my equation. So it's done. We'll move on to the